Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Photoshop crashing and freezing. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to go to search menu and type graphics settings. Click on open it. Select add desktop app and you just need to go to C drive, program files, Adobe folder. Now you just need to double click on the Adobe Photoshop. And now scroll down, you can able to see the Photoshop application file, the highest KB in here, and select the add option. After adding the Photoshop, you just need to click on this drop down in GPU preferences and select this to high performance option. And now just close stuff here and check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 2, you just need to go to search menu and type Photoshop, right click on the Photoshop and select open file location. Again right click and select open file location. And now right click on the application over here, highest KB over here, and select properties. Go to compatibility tab and check mark run this program as an administrator and select apply and OK for save changes. Now you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 3, you just need to go to search menu and type Photoshop. Before opening the Photoshop, you just need to hold the shift key in your keyboard and now open the Photoshop. And now you will get this pop-up. Select the yes option and now check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 4, you just need to update your graphics driver. To do this, check my video description for these links. For Nvidia users, download the Nvidia app. For AMD users, download the AMD software. For Intel users, download the Intel driver support assistant. After getting download done, you just need to open the program and go to drivers tab and select check for updates. You just need to update the graphics card driver. After updating it, just to close stuff here and check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 5, go to search menu and type storage settings. Click on open it. Select the temporary files option and make sure every option are checked and select the remove files option. In my case, I have 45 GB of free space available. After getting done, your problem should be fixed. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.